Hello everybody, welcome to Mr. GFX. Today we are going to speak about how to create this logo with AI and Unreal Engine in a few minutes. So before we start, don't forget to subscribe for my channel and like for my video, and let's get started. So first of all, we need to go to Gemini, okay? After that, or any ChatGPT or anything. For example, ChatGPT, we need to design 2D logo for Mr. GFX. Okay, 2D logo and black and white. Give me 3 design, for example. Okay. So now we need this one. Okay, we can go to Gemini, for example. We can go to Gemini. After that, we need to choose this one. Okay, we need to choose 3D Pro, and we need to choose Nano Banana. After that, wait a little bit. Mr. GFX, not good. Black and white logo for to the black and white for Mr. GFX. Okay. Okay, so now I have this design. Okay, Nano Banana was to the black logo for Mr. GFX. Okay, so now this logo is very good for me. Okay, now copy this one and we can go to Illustrator. Okay. So now we have our logo here. We can go to image trace, and after that we need to choose black and white. Okay, so expand. So now we have vector logo. Okay, ungroup this one. Okay, so now if you come here, we have two color. This one we need to make ungroup, and we need to choose this one and this one. Okay, so we can take this logo with this problem, or we can insert any outline here. Okay, we can take black, and we need to come here just okay. So we need to increase this area. Okay, we need to delete this one, and we need to come here. Okay, so now we have our logo, Mr. GFX. Okay, so now we have, this is a very important step. Okay, expand here to make it vector. So now all of them vector. Now what we are going to do now, we need to convert this logo. Look here, sorry. So I need to take all of them here. Look here, those will make problem in design. So now we can come here. Okay, now we need to come here and group all of them. So you can choose any color as you like. For example, just we can change it later in Unreal Engine. So now we need to come here, effect and 3D and extrude and bevel. Okay, now look here, we have 3D design. Okay, after that we can come here to this area, bevel. Okay, so now we can bevel our design. We can increase the value of our bevel a little bit. Okay, I think it would be nice. Okay, look here, we can increase or decrease our bevel like that. Okay, so after that we need to export 3D object. So now we have our 3D logo. So what we are going to do now, we need to export it to as OBJ or as you like. you can choose your object from here, or USD, or as you like from here. Okay, so we need to remove all of them. OBJ. So now we need to go to our PC and create any folder, and okay, design, select folder, okay, select, and now so after that we need to go to Unreal Engine, and we need to create our 3D folder. Okay, 3D logo to, for example, okay, double click, and now we need to go to import, and we need to insert our logo. So after that we insert our logo asset 1. Okay, import. So now if we look here, we have our all of our mesh. Okay, we need to insert it here. But if you look here, we have our bevel, and all of them is good. Okay, rotate. Just we need to go to details, and we need to insert. So 90 degree. Okay, so now amazing. We can scale it as you like. Okay. This design, you can use it for your asset for a game or anything. Just for example, if I make play from here, look, amazing. So just you can use this model for your game as you like. Okay, so now I need to come here. Okay, so now we have our all of our group. Okay, we can scale it a little bit as you like. Play from here. So look here. So just we can make all of them as complex. So now we can select all of them, and we can choose any material like, for example, gold material or anything. Okay, so now all of them. So we need to come to our light. Where is our light? We don't need any light. We can create our light from here. We can take, for example, simple light like point light or something like that. Look here, like amazing. So nice. And we can duplicate this light for example here. Okay, look, we can increase or decrease the value of our light a little bit. Icons. So okay, so look here, we can make our value to be like that, and we can take this one here. So you can play with your light, or look here, directional light. Maybe we can use this one, but value 0.1 for example. Okay, or we can close it and make any type of light, any rectangle light for example, and we can put this value to be 1, and we need to increase the value of rectangle light to be 3000 for example, and 3. Okay, so now look here, and we can insert any background here. Can choose anyone, come here and insert any background. So this is the easy way how to insert any eye logo and to convert it as a 3D element and insert it to Unreal Engine. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe for my channel and like for more videos. See you in the next video. Take care. السلام عليكم.